Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at the Barbie Baker playset and the Pizza Chef doll and playset. We found these dolls at Walmart for $19.99 and $29.99 for ages 3 and up. The Baker playset allows you to decorate the cupcakes and watch the cake rise. Can you see that? On the back of the box, there is a picture of the playset, and at the bottom, it shows other available items. Now let's get this playset out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, there is a doll with the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. She wears a shirt and jean skirt that are attached, and Velcro in the back, a cupcake apron that also Velcros in the back. She wears a pair of white shoes and a red headband. The baking set includes an oven with a pink countertop and sticker details across the front. It can open so the baked goods can be removed. In addition to the cake, there is also a tray of cupcakes, a bowl, a box of cupcake mix, a piping bag, a spoon, and an oven mitt. Most of the accessories have little grips so the doll can hold them, and some are made to lock into the top. On the counter, there is a recess that can be filled with water. Place the piping bag inside, and it is important to know that water toys can get messy, so make sure you're playing on a protected surface. Then we can remove it and use it to frost the cupcakes. Oh, that is so cool! So as soon as the water touches the surface, it reveals the frosting. That's pretty cool. And now the dolls can have fun decorating all of the little cupcakes. Okay, I just have to find out what the other ones are. Well, it's a pretty blue one. And the last one is pink with a little flower on top. The colors are kind of soft, and as soon as it dries, it fades. So you can have fun decorating the cupcakes over and over again. And the oven is pretty cool because there is this small dial on the bottom that when you turn it, the cake rises in the oven, and then it's gonna like do a little chime to let you know it's done. Love it! Look, my cake rose! That never happens in real life. Then we just have to open the oven, use an oven mitt to remove the cake, and voila! I just made a beautiful cake. Now we can place the cupcakes in the oven so they could bake. I probably shouldn't have frosted them first. Oh well, we can just sit here and watch them rise. They're done! The cupcakes have an interesting shape, but the whole process was a lot of fun. And when we're ready to bake again, we just push it down and start over. Now with the Pizza Chef playset, we can make, bake, and serve pizza. There is a conveyor belt that moves and Barbie dough. On the back of the box, there is a picture of all items included, and at the bottom there are simple instructions. Press, grate, bake, slice, and serve. The dough contains wheat and is not edible. And the dough may stain fabrics and other surfaces, avoid contact with carpet, clothing, walls, and furniture. So in other words, use this on a protected surface. Out of the box, we get a Barbie with the basic 5 points of articulation. She wears a white shirt, pink skirt, and a green apron. It is sewn together to be all one piece and Velcros in the back. She wears pink shoes and a pink baseball cap. The pizza station is nice and condensed. It has brown wood-colored legs, a shelf for storage, and probably to catch little small pieces of Play-Doh that may fall down. There are 2 small hooks on the front, a mini fridge. It has a gray faux granite countertop, 3 workstations to make your pizza, a menu, and a small clear counter space. And there is a small handle so you can move the pizza through the pizza line. It has a cash register that fits into the counter, 2 juice boxes, and a bottle of water that we can place in the mini fridge, a pink pizza pill. Try saying that 5 times fast. I accept your challenge. And if I win, I get a lifetime supply of free pizza. On your mark, get set, go. Pink pizza pill, pink pizza pill, pink pizza pill, pink pizza pill, pink pizza pill. Ha! Free pizza, here I come! Sophie, I never actually agreed to that. There is also a pizza box that can open, 2 plates, a pizza pan, and a pizza spatula. And I just found out that these are also called pizza spatulas and pizza paddles. So, yeah, lots of names for this device. There is a pizza cutter that is too large for the dolls, but perfect for you. And 3 containers of Barbie dough, so we can make our pizza. So get to it. Those free pizzas aren't gonna make themselves. Okay, so let's start with the pizza pan. We need a little bit of the brown dough. I'm going to knead it for a second so we don't get a lot of cracks in our crust. Then we need a little red dough. Place it on top. Place it on the pizza pan. Just trying to get it in the center. And now we can lower the top. Smush it down. My first pizza went horribly wrong. That just looks awful. I'm gonna try to press it one more time to maybe get it to even out. Yeah. Let's just turn that over and try to form the pizza first, or try to form the crust first. Then we can add the red for the sauce. I think this is becoming a handcrafted pizza. It makes it more special. I'm not sure if that was an improvement. It's pretty sad looking. But let's try to put it into the press now. Aw, why does it keep sticking? Let's take a look at the instructions. Oh, I am not supposed to use the baking pan. Yeah, that could be the problem. Here is the dough. Place them together. Place them under the press. Press down. Seriously? Okay, we're just gonna have to carry on. Now we have to push this button here, remove the top, take out the silver color container, add a ball of white dough, place it back inside, put on the top until it clicks, slide the pizza over, and turn the top to add cheese to the pizza. All right, well, at least I can do this right. Slide the pizza over into the oven so it can bake. Then we can use our pizza pill to get the pizza out of the oven. This is so cool. Carefully slide it onto the pan. Come on. There we go. Cut it into 4 slices. Oops. There, yeah, like that. There's 2. And maybe if I hold it, it'll be a little easier. There we go. Whoa, I'm making a mess here. I think this one might be the best looking slice. Gotta cut it better. There we go. And I can place it on the plate. There we go, and the pizza is served. This is not a very pretty pizza, but you know, it was fun to make. Excuse me, I am going to need to order another pizza. This one looks awful. Sorry, it's my first day. This one came out a little better. This one is probably my prettiest slice. Thank you very much. Oh no, this is not edible. Don't eat it. But it was a lot of fun to make. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at these Barbie playsets. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog, and we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.